Okay, this is a icerium, sort of ice labyrinth. I think Andre E will kill me because I'm going to disclose his secret. I will show you the way to the center of this labyrinth. It's not yet finished, and I think it's a good time to figure out how to get to the center. There we go, like this. It's. Oh, goodness. No, this way. Walk here. Ah. A lot of broken ice cubes here. There we go. We need to get to that, you see, to the center of this square. And here will be high walls, ice walls. And so when it will be finished, it will be hard to get into the center. But now I can see everything. And I'm disclosing Andre E's labyrinth. Wow, let's put an arrow here. So here, like this. And we go here. Hey, my name is Bolt. I live in Yakutsk. It's happening in Yakutsk. My iPhone won't be frozen at all. Okay, here we go. Dance. Here we go. Ah, this is my gloves. Sorry guys. Now we go here. It's cold. It's not so cold, just minus 36 now. But to hold iPhone is not a big pleasure actually. Such a frosty weather. Whew. Okay. Here we go. This is my dog, Yakutsk. He's got blue eyes. Funny dog. Ah, okay. Ah, there are two ways to the center. Okay. The shortest one and the longest one. You can see I could go like this from here and get almost to the center, but in the beginning I chose the longest one, like along the whole wall. Okay. In any case, it was fun. Okay, here we go. Like here. Here. Just trying to figure out how awesome it's gonna be when walls will be constructed here. Okay. It seems I'm already here. Very center. Whew. Hope will be like, maybe it's my dream, there will be like a table, ice table with a salad made out of frozen fish, sorry, like chairs and maybe some nice ice sculpture. Okay, this is Yakutsk. And right now we've got minus 36 degrees centigrade, not so cold. Over there, the Lena River. like 3 kilometers to go to reach the biggest Siberia river. Okay, I think I'm finished. Have a good day, guys.